The 2026 Proton Saga has made a surprising return, and it's sending shockwaves through the automotive world. Known as a reliable and affordable sedan, the latest Saga is not just a facelift, it's a bold statement of progress. Proton has taken its budget-friendly champion and infused it with a new level of sophistication, making it not just an option, but a serious contender in the compact sedan segment. The Saga now balances affordability, tech, and comfort like never before. Under the hood, the 2026 Proton Saga retains its trusted 1.13-LITERDOHC BBT engine but comes with a retuned performance profile, improving throttle response and fuel economy. While the power output remains modest, it now feels livelier and more refined during acceleration. The smooth 4-speed automatic transmission has been optimized for city and highway driving alike, and a manual option is still available for purists who enjoy greater control. This update ensures a more composed and confident ride, even at higher speeds. The most noticeable upgrades are in the exterior design. Proton has given the Saga a sportier, more modern appearance with sleeker headlights, a bold new grille, and newly designed alloy wheels. The rear has also been refreshed with LED tail lamps and a more aggressive bumper design. These subtle but effective changes give the Saga a premium feel without alienating its loyal fan base that prefers simplicity and function over flash. Inside, the 2026 Saga surprises with an updated interior that feels more upscale. The cabin now features soft touch materials, improved seat cushioning, and an intuitive dashboard layout. A new 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with voice command, Bluetooth, USB, and smartphone mirroring capabilities brings the Saga in line with today's tech expectations. The digital meter cluster, leather-wrapped steering wheel with audio controls, and automatic climate control are standout features that were unheard of in this price segment just a few years ago. Safety has been a major area of improvement as well. Proton has equipped the Saga with new generation safety features, including electronic stability control, EAC, hill hold assist, rear parking sensors, ABS with EBD, and dual front airbags as standard. These enhancements not only boost driver confidence but also align the Saga with global safety standards, making it a great value in emerging and established markets alike. Proton has also worked on improving cabin insulation, resulting in a quieter and more comfortable drive. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to offer a smoother ride, especially on rough or uneven roads. Fuel economy figures have improved slightly, with the new Saga offering impressive mileage that will appeal to daily commuters and cost-conscious drivers. All in all, the 2026 Proton Saga is more than just an update, it's a strategic leap forward. Proton has shown that a car can be affordable and refined at the same time. Whether you are a first-time buyer or someone looking for a dependable second car, the new Saga is difficult to ignore. It combines Malaysian practicality with a touch of modern flair and succeeds in redefining what an entry-level sedan can be. The Saga nameplate has evolved, and the shock seats delivering are absolutely welcome in today's competitive market.